Hey, wanna create your first instance? Then let's go. First, you need to access your client portal, then click on WordPress Management over here, right? So now in this panel, click on Create, and let's create our first instance, right? Now here, you have to choose what you wanna do. I'll just create a new one for this video. Now here you have to choose your service. All right, click on the website name. Now here you have the basic and advanced configurations. I'll just go with the basic one, right? Here you just have to fill all these boxes with your website name and your domain. All right, now once you've done that, click on continue. Now we have to wait a little bit for the instance being installed. Once installed, click on manage site, and there we go. Your instance is installed. You have all the settings you need for your website, such as backup, plugins, advanced settings, and that's it. That's it for today, and see you later.